This is also the place to review any comments or attachments I myself or any of my colleagues left, which serves as a nice forum to communicate and share ideas, concerns, issues, anything of the sort. Codebeamer also comes with versioning, which is automatic. So for each and every one of the items located inside trackers and projects, you have a history. And this history is going to commit in perpetuity all the changes, all the information, who did what, when, why, into the specific item. And this is going to contribute towards the audit trail. So everything is stored, everything is logged, everything can be exported as needed.